guys, we have a lot of projects going down today.
We do. We got sprinkler system to fix, some more sprinkler stuff, more yard stuff.
All the yard stuff. We got just little things like this. Like we got this to hold our hose we need to install on the side of the house. Got some projects.
Some pipes bursting, fixing stuff.
And it feels good. We're going to use our new edger and mow and get the yard looking all nice. I also got some dandelion spray because dandelions are taking over our yard. So guys, we got stuff to do. But happy Saturday. It's a beautiful, kind of chilly day.
Let's get to work. Done. Good work, cars. Good work. Holy cow, it is windy. That might be, wow, it is so windy. That might be the end of the yard work for the day because it is so crazy windy. It's supposed to rain later.
No.
And snow.
It's supposed to snow.
Ah.
All right, you guys, because the wind is so crazy outside, I had to bring these inside. They were just getting so destroyed by the wind, and it's supposed to snow tonight. So brought the flowers inside, having a little bit of a rest time. Please don't die. You guys, the weather, crazy town. Cody had to take the swings
So
down.
crazy.
It is ridiculously windy outside, but I got all cleaned up and I'm gonna start cooking dinner. We're making dinner for a neighbor tonight. This guy,
Got a photo shoot.
a bridal shoot in the tornado-like winds.
We'll see how it goes.
Work with it. She's the bride that he's doing. She'll be totally down to do some like cool things with the wind working in her favor. So
It'll be fun.
gotta embrace those things, you guys. But dinner's starting to go down. I feel better because I'm cleaned up a little bit. And I just hope that our trampoline doesn't blow away.
Oh, it's a tank. It's not going anywhere. Well, guys, it's time for me to go to a photo shoot, and I'm just super impressed with my wife because she is just super multitasking here.
I have a lot going on.
I mean, there's cookies, she's watching a movie, dishes, we got spaghetti being cooked, multiple pans,
So much.
stuff in the oven.
Yeah.
Oh man, laundry. She's amazing, guys. Does so much. You want to go with me? Oh, I wish you could when you get older, okay? Breaks my heart.
Oh.
But I gotta go. Love you, babe.
Love you. Good luck. Hopefully the wind doesn't blow you away.
Hopefully.
Okay, you guys, I am all done with the neighbor's dinner. I think it turned out pretty good. It smells really good, and I did taste everything. We have garlic bread that just came out of the oven. These are meatballs with really yummy homemade spaghetti sauce, spaghetti noodles, a Caesar salad, and chocolate chip cookies. So this is going to the neighbor's house right now. Hopefully I can conquer this situation when I get back. Okay, now dinner time for our family. We're eating amongst the flowers tonight. Does it look good, guys?
Oh yeah.
Does it look yummy? Yum.
Those are all green flowers.
Well, guys, it has been such a good day. We had so much fun, and got a lot done. I mean, Saturdays are great just because you can just get stuff done pretty much all day and chill.
It was amazing. I feel like we're going to bed feeling accomplished, and that's a good feeling. So
Definitely.
it's a good one, guys.
Yep. But we love you guys.
And we'll see you
tomorrow.
cheeks. Love you, bye.
Story of my life. Such short, guys.